Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is day 7 of the Advent calendar, opening of the bags for Phoebe and I. And she is over here just excited, waiting on her turn. Oh, Phoebe, you ready for your treat bag? Alright, so let's see. Phoebe, you ready to get yours? Oh, goodness. Here you go, little girl. There you go. Alright. Let me find my day 7 bag. Oh. Sorry. Oh. I'm not finding it. Oh, there it is. Ooh. It's a little bit heavy. Hey, baby, come around on this side, baby. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, look. Okay, the yarn is neon hot pink with a sparkle. I don't know that I had that in my yarn stash. I don't know where that came from. Maybe I'll find out later, huh? Okay, I'll make a little stocking with that today. And here is the cup. I'm only talking to my dog today. Oh, goodness. It has a little spoon there for stirring. Isn't that cute? It's a nice size cup, too. Like that. They really done good. Oh, some little surprises in there. I love that. Alright, so I'm going to make a stocking with this today. I do have some mail I wanted to share. And this is from Robin. It's a beautiful card. May a joyful Christmas be yours this season. The tree has some sparkle to it. I'm sure that's showing up there. So it looks like some kids playing in the snow and a little puppy dog and a little cabin back there behind them. So Robin wrote me a little message in here. And then she wrote on a separate piece of paper, she wrote me a letter. And I appreciate that so much, Robin. I love learning about that. Thank you. But anyway, I really enjoy the card. It's beautiful. And I will add it to the door today when I add my stocking. So I'm going to show you on my door real quick. As my stockings have grown, I also have my Christmas cards. So isn't that cute? I just love that. It's turning out really, really cute. So this morning I read Luke 7. And, you know, I am not perfect by no means. No way. I fall short every day. Every day I fall short. But the next day I try again. We're all sinners, no matter what. No matter how good you think you are, we're all sinners in some kind of way. Whether it be in our actions, our thoughts, our responses. You know, you can be a very good person and still have sin in your life. And so, I just, you know, I don't care how holy you think you are. You're not perfect. None of us are. And so reading that and just reading about the lady who washed Jesus's feet with her tears and dried them with her hair. And then the prophecy said, do you know who this woman is that's touching you? And Jesus was like, yes, you know, and he forgave her for her sins. And, you know, Jesus didn't hang out with the perfect people. And I just love that. I love that about him. I love that part of the story. He didn't just run to the perfect people and that's who he hung out with. He hung out with the people who needed um, him, needed encouragement or whatever. Um, and, you know, like I said, I'm not perfect by all means, and I'm not trying to say I'm perfect, but I do try to show extra love and extra kindness to people who aren't like me, people who are obviously live a different lifestyle or something, you know. I mean, I do just try to show them extra love and extra kindness. I met somebody at the art crawl. Now, let me just say this in the past, I have had purple hair, and I might have purple hair again in the future. But for about 5, 6 years or so, I had purple hair, and I always wanted purple hair when I was little. And so, when I got older, I had purple hair, and so, and that was a shocker to people. But I also wanted people to know that you can look different and have purple hair and not to judge a book by the, cover, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, at the art crawl the other night, there was this guy that had blue hair. He was covered in tattoos. Come to find out after talking to him and everything, he's a tattoo artist. But I don't know anything about him. I don't know his lifestyle or anything about him. But you know, he was a really nice guy, and I talked to him a good bit. And he bought something from me, and I bought something from him. And then he come back over there to me later, and this guy's like in his 20s, okay? And here I am, pushing 50. And so he come back over there to me a little bit later, and he said, "Hey, how do I find you on YouTube?" And so, if he finds me and he watches this video, I really enjoy getting to know him and talking to him and everything. I'm just saying that some people my age would not have even stopped to speak to him or talk to him because he had blue hair and tattoos, and that's their loss. Their loss for not stopping, talking to him, and getting to know this great guy. But anyway, moving on. I've got to get off here and make a stocking and hang my Christmas card and get me some hot cocoa or something going on in here. I hadn't had any coffee today, so that's probably what I'll get. Some coffee going on in here, and Phoebe is already ready for more treats. But no, girl. I'll see you all again soon.